Hi, students. This is an old-timey piece. We'll Meet Again was made famous in World War II when Vera Lynn was a young singer. I believe she was still a teenager. We lost Vera Lynn. She was 103 years old a couple years ago, and she actually was still performing this song on local cruise ships, like Weekend Cruise with Vera Lynn. Until the very end when she passed. It's a beautiful song. The British people themselves said this gave them the confidence and courage to hunker down. Blackouts at night from the Blitzkrieg, just the brutality of World War II, and also Winston Churchill was the prime minister who also helped them. But Vera Lynn, this song, you may have heard it before. I changed it into a key that's a little bit easier for everybody. So it's in G. So it's we'll meet again. Don't know where, don't know when, but I know we'll meet again some sunny day. Just like you always do, till the blue clouds drive the dark clouds far away. Then the next part, I've heard it played very short. So will you please say hello to the folks that I know? Tell them I won't be long. They'll be happy to know, as you saw me go, I was singing this song. And then back to we'll meet again, don't know where, don't know when. So now I added some chords to really spice this up. And I'm going to start with the first chord that is G. I think it sounds better and as G6 instead of G. And by the way, you might have caught the strum. Just down, down, up, down, down. But in this case, with G6, you can do this. We'll meet again. Don't know. Now what I did is I sweetened it. I slid the G6, which is, I stamped it with my stamp to show you that G6 is just 2 fingers. You eliminate the third finger, the ring finger, and you do this. We'll meet on meet, you slide down and slide back up. We'll meet again. Then with the B7th, you do this. So it's we'll meet again. Don't know. On don't, you do. You slide down. We'll meet again. Don't know where. Don't know. Now I added this. Here's an E7. Then the added 5th. Don't know where. Don't know when. I don't move the ring finger. I keep the ring finger there, but I added the pinky. Then an A7, A7 to D7, and then back to keep smiling through, just like you always do, till the gray clouds far away. And then that next part, you could always do it. Da will you. If you can't do that, because it's just short, I would just continue this down. Da 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 da. I like that. Let's look at the piece again to show the changes. So it's written, I changed it to the key of G. I think it was originally in C, but it's kind of high. And I learned this song in G, and at a moment's notice, I've been able to pick up a uke, and the dean just left the school, and she said, I had a Zoom meeting. She had a Zoom meeting for everybody to tell us first. And everybody was saying goodbyes, goodbyes. Well, I picked up, it was actually my banjolele, and I played this, I know it by heart. And so it was very fondly received. So this is the new song, We'll Meet Again. Very slow tempo, I would take it starting. We'll meet again. And you don't have to sweeten it, but I think that's what makes this song sound so cool. The sliding, then the adding.